Today, we're breaking down one of the most talked about entry-level mirrorless cameras. Small, light, and packed with autofocus tech borrowed from Canon's Pro lineup. But is it actually worth your money, or does it cut too many corners?
The Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera. The Canon EOS R50 is Canon's entry-level mirrorless camera, built for beginners and content creators who want professional results without the bulk. At its core sits a 24-megapixel APS-C sensor, delivering sharp, detailed images with excellent color accuracy, operating across an ISO range of 100 to 32,000 for flexibility in various lighting conditions. One of its standout features is its lightweight build, weighing just 375 grams, making it one of the lightest cameras in its class. Despite its compact size, Canon retained a pronounced grip for the right hand, keeping balance steady even with zoom lenses attached. Where the R50 truly shines is autofocus. It combines a series of subject recognition modes with tenacious tracking, so you can simply point at your subject and let the camera lock on. It's specifically trained to recognize people's eyes, faces, and heads, along with animals like dogs, cats, birds, and horses, plus vehicles, including motorsport cars, trains, and aircraft. For speed, the R50 shoots at 12 frames per second, rising to 15 FPS with its electronic shutter. Impressive numbers for an entry-level body. On the video side, it supports 4K recording, making it a strong choice for vloggers and hybrid shooters. The camera does have limitations worth mentioning. There's no in-body image stabilization, so users rely on optically stabilized RF lenses instead. It also comes with a single card slot and a relatively small battery, both housed in the same compartment. Rolling shutter can also become noticeable when panning quickly. In terms of pricing, the body alone retails around $679, with the kit lens bundle priced near $800. Overall, the Canon EOS R50 delivers exceptional autofocus performance, a lightweight design, and reliable image quality, making it one of the best choices for beginners, travel photographers, and everyday content creators stepping into mirrorless photography.
Today, we're breaking down one of the most talked about entry-level mirrorless cameras. Small, light, and packed with autofocus tech borrowed from Canon's Pro lineup. But is it actually worth your money, or does it cut too many corners?